Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Migwi, and today I'm going to share with you making a floral coaster. We're going to use pinks and purples, just a fantasy coaster. And this is especially celebrating women and girls out there. And you can see here in the middle, I've already placed, let me show you, these are craft medley gemstones. Let me show you the color I have picked. And if it's for you, you can pick any color. I could have picked purple, but I wanted to pick this. I don't know if you can see it nicely. Let me see. This, you can see it. Oh, I need to focus on it. Just give me a moment. Let me put several here. When they're turned upside down, like the way they're here, they're like this silver when they're upside down, but on the other side they're this very cute fuchsia pink. So when we're demolding, you will see on the other side. I've just organized them here so that it's easier and faster. All you need to do is pick and place down like this. So I've just made that shape in the middle with this. And these are the colors that we're going to use from the inside going out. We have the light rose gold. This is SEISSO mica powder. We have another SEISSO peach pink. We have another Chameleon, let's resin Chameleon plum. It looks like this. It's iridescent, very cute. Another iridescent violet from Let's Resin Chameleon powder, and another SEISSO fantasy purple. So let's mix in the resin, then I come show you what we're going to do. If you like this and it adds value for you, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And check the card above, because in there I will list the video where I made different sunflower designs using this similar coaster. So please check the card above. So this time we are doing purples, but then that was actual sunflower earrings. Okay, so we're going to begin. We just put in this clear so that it can hold this together. So not too much, just enough so that it auto levels, so that when it's all done, these ones are stuck together so that it can go under into the spaces. And then we come in with our colors. I shouldn't have splashed that clear in the middle the way I did, because it displaced them because they are floating. They didn't stay at the base. You know the way glitter stays at the bottom? I did wrong, but here it is. Let's wait for it to cure. Then I'll come back and show you we demold together. So keep watching, and thank you for subscribing and pressing the notification bell. It's time to demold this one. Remember, it moved. You can even see from the top that it's not fully at the center. I'm praying that when we turn it around, there's some semblance of goodness. And I can see some of them also turned upside down, so we'll see some of the silver on the other side. Oh, so let's see. We learned our lesson not to pour the clear on top the way I did with the force or after placing them down. Now let's see how it is. And after I demold this, make sure to keep watching because I'll show you how we would sort of style it or set it up or use it after this. So God bless you, Barakatella. We'll see you on the next one. This is just in case you're about to leave, you know, after you see the demolding. God bless you. Let's do this. Oh, you know, I'm seeing this with you for the first time as well, eh? So let's see how it turns out. Oh, it's pretty, but I think all the goodness, you know, the brilliance of it went when the pink, the rose pink came over under, because I think we would have seen all this pink out. I know it still looks very good, and you can see the different transitions here, different colors, but this color, this side, the back side is more brilliant. You can see the color definitions from this side, so you can use this side, but then it doesn't have the, what do I say, the these sequins are just silver. So imagine if the pink that's in here was on top with these colors. And what the reason why I wanted to turn it around is, you see these veins, I didn't think we would have seen them because I thought our colors were opaque enough. But what I'm going to do on the next one, I'm going to turn them around this and make sure this is the top. This time, right now, this is the top, because you can see the veins more and you can see more of this. But it turns out to be more of a rose gold, what do I say, coaster than a blend of the brilliant purples and pinks I'd hope it would be. I can still use it this way. I can still use it this way, but that was not the initial intention. You can see what my intention was. So this is it. I'll show you both sides. Yeah, this is what happens when you're experimenting. I hope you've learned from me, but I enjoyed this and I still think it's very pretty, just not this brilliant color that I had hoped to be on top. So I'll redo this again. So check out on Instagram, because I'll do this again and share on Instagram the right one. So check it out on my Juliet Migwi Inspires to see how that will turn out.